This morning, well actually this afternoon, we all have this issue. Go from that to no, where we have one headlight that looks like this and the other that looks like this. It's too expensive to replace your entire headlight. So in order to get this done for a very cheap, effective method, all you need are these two things: a water spray bottle, some sandpaper, 600, 1500 and a 3000 grit, some rubbing compound and some tape. Let's get started.
Add it up.
So first things first, let's tape up this area so we don't sand the existing car. Great.
Okay, alright.
Remember, we start off with a 600 grit. Just make sure and keep this wet. Let the sandpaper do the work. Don't be concerned when this happens. When it gets dry, it's gonna get a built-in nice haze on it. We're gonna go up to 1500 grit sandpaper. We're gonna wet sand this baby down. Quick tip, on the second coat, we're gonna be sanding up and down to help move out those straight lines that 600 grit sandpaper left behind. And now here's, we're gonna remove and take those scratches down to even finer state. It's gonna look much better than this with the 3000. All right, so we did a 600 grit, 1500 grit, 3000 grit. The last stage is we're gonna apply some polish to remove all these fine lines. I'm too tired, it's too hot, I'm gonna use this. And compound. Put that on. Dab, dab, dab. It's kind of bigger, but
Add it up.
that's it. Sand, compound, polish, and one last wipe.
Okay, alright.
So, as opposed to spending hundreds of dollars on a new headlight, you could do it yourself. The good headlight, the headlight that was bad.
Add it up.